everybody, I'm Carrie and welcome to Big Fork Tiny Spoon. Today we're going to be making some SCD, specific carbohydrate diet, applesauce. Super easy, super good for your tummy. Let's go. All right, for this recipe, you're just going to need a few simple ingredients. 1 lemon, 2 bags of Granny Smith apples, which are the best to cook with. I don't care if you're making applesauce or a pie, what you're doing, Granny Smith are always the way to cook and bake with. You're gonna need a little bit of honey, and then some spices, cinnamon, cardamom, and nutmeg. Cardamom is my little secret that I'm sharing with you. And this company, Frontier Co-op, they're amazing. They're completely SCD friendly. There are no fillers or byproducts in their binders or anything, so look them up. They're totally legit, and they're gonna be the spices that we're using. We're gonna toss it all into our handy dandy Instapot. 8 minutes later, we're gonna have some good old-fashioned applesauce. So let's get started. All right, we gotta prepare our grannies. And I know what you're thinking. Are we seriously gonna stand here and cut and peel 2 bags of apples? That's like close to 10 pounds. Is she crazy? A little bit, yes. Is it worth it? Yes, it is. The applesauce is amazing. However, I got a tool that'll make this whole thing easier. It's our peeler cutter core. It's stinking amazing. All you have to do is load up your granny, push it forward until the apple hits the peeler, and then spin. Peeling, cutting, coring, boom, goes the dynamite. Perfect apple. Done. Next, just keep going. See how fast this is gonna go? All right, kids, the apples are done. Now all we have to do is put it all in our Instapot, let it go for 8 minutes, and we have applesauce. Apples go in, juice of 1 lemon, we're gonna squeeze some honey over it, and then honestly, you're also gonna learn this about me. I don't measure a lot of things unless I'm baking. I kinda eyeball a lot of stuff. So we're gonna use a good amount of cinnamon, we're gonna use some nutmeg, and we're gonna use some cardamom. Cardamom, trust me, get that too. I fell in love with it in Guatemala. It makes this applesauce so much better. Use it. So we'll use like a teaspoon at a time when you see me measuring, but honestly, just kind of eyeball it. Depends on how spicy you like things. So anyway, 2 cups of water after that. Set it, forget it, eat applesauce. Let's go. We have everything in our handy dandy Instapot. We prefer our applesauce a little on the chunkier side. So I'm gonna set it for low for 8 minutes and let it go. If you want a smoother applesauce, set it high for 12. It'll be perfect. So set it, forget it, follow them, manufacturer's instructions. But here we go. Oh my gosh, it's done! How great does this look? I can't wait to try it. It smells so good, and Oh my gosh, it tastes so good. All of those spices with the acid of the lemon and the sweetness of the honey. To me, this is a good comfort food. Like I just get warm and fuzzy, like smelling it and eating it, and oh my gosh, I love it. I hope you love it too. Please try it, like and subscribe, and follow us on Instagram, Big Fork Tana Spoon. And if you try our recipes, hashtag Big Fork Tana Spoon, so we can see what you did too. Anyway, I'm gonna enjoy this. You go do your thing, you enjoy yours, and until next time.